So problem with the chop saw, this bit here which goes on there, broken. It's easy enough to glue. But the two guide rails, that one's complete, it goes in the top where the blade goes in between, but this one is incomplete, so half of it's missing, it's just busted off. I can sort of see why as well, because if you look at the screws, there we are, you can see how much it's deformed where the screws have been tightened up and it's cracked and fractured. So what we got, it's not too bright for the camera, that is, two bits of aluminium, one there, and we've laminating them together with some Gorilla Glue. Then I'm going to machine the slot in the top and self tap them together as well. Okay, so our laminate has cured overnight, and I've just trimmed off the excess because the stuff foams up all over the place, and even the bits of tissue paper are now gone hard. So anyway, yeah, I've just wire brushed basically, or with the electric wire wheel, trimmed that off, and it actually is quite good. So next step, make sure my markings are good for the holes, and they should be. And then I'm going to support the laminate by fitting some self-tapping screws with a tapered head. So the hole drilled, taper put in the top half, screwed in, and then them just ground off flush. So that's the next step. I'm just worried about it delaminating. It seems really good actually. Let me just see if I can get it apart. Now, it wasn't my idea to do this, but well, it was the old man's. He decided that's the way to do it. I'm like, well, whatever. I don't think so. But what I am worried about, I don't know how flat it is. It looks good. Good enough for a table saw, anyway. So anyway, firstly, put those screws in. Of course, I don't want to put them in where these screws are. So I'm probably going to move them back. I think I'll put them back. Those two can go there, maybe there. So that's the next step. But it seems to have stuck together really well. These don't have to be horrendously accurate. Well, that doesn't look right at all, that one. That looks more like it. Right, so I know where they are. Now, where am I going to put self tappers? As you can tell, I'm winging it just a little bit, but I'm winging it as usual. Right, let's get them drilled. Right, so I just measured the core of the screw. I don't know if you can see that or not. But basically, just the solid stem of the south tapper. And that works out at 2.8mm, give or take. So I've got myself a 3mm drill, and I'm going to do these first. Right, well, that's hopefully will work out then. Okay, so they're all drilled, and now it's time to just mill them. Now basically I'm milling out the top plate. So basically what I'm going to do is just mill through the first plate down to the second plate. And for comparison, this is what we're trying to achieve. So it's 10 mil, and I've just eyeballed it up, and I'll just give it a little skim, and then I'm just going to go for it basically, and just nothing precision about it, as you know with me, but yeah, let's have a go anyway. About half that there. Plenty there actually. I might do the others a little bit shallower because it doesn't need to be that deep. Right. Yes, that's better. In fact, probably come up a little bit actually. mill. I might have to shift it over, but I think that's probably going to be about right. I think you can, yeah, you can see the 2 marks I've got down here.